Welcome to Guided by Kieran. Today, we embark on a transformative journey through guided meditation. Find a comfortable, quiet space and let's nurture the seeds of personal growth and happiness together. Begin by settling into a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale positivity and exhale any tension or stress. Feel the soothing rhythm of your breath, grounding you in the present moment. As we dive into this guided meditation, focus on the essence of personal growth and happiness. Picture a radiating light surrounding you, symbolizing the potential for growth and the joy of happiness within. Affirm, I am a consistent work in progress, embracing the journey of personal growth with open arms. Now, I invite you to visualize a lush garden within your mind. Each thought and integration you nurture is a seed planted in this garden. With care and attention, watch as these seeds sprout into vibrant plants, representing your personal growth. Repeat, I am worthy of success and happiness. My worthiness is inherent. I deserve the abundance that life offers. Now, imagine yourself walking through this garden, basking in the beauty of your accomplishments. As you stroll, feel the warmth of the sun on your face. Feel the gentle breeze of contentment surrounding you. Repeat, every challenge I encounter is an opportunity for growth and learning. I welcome challenges as stepping stones towards my best self. Now, I invite you to pause for a moment and connect with the emotions of happiness. Picture moments of joy and contentment. Allow these sensations to wash over you like a gentle wave. Repeat, I release the need for perfection. I am perfectly imperfect. My uniqueness is a source of strength and beauty. Continue your journey through the garden, noticing the vibrant colours and the fragrance of success and happiness. Your path is illuminated by the glow of positive energy. Repeat, I am resilient in the face of adversity. My inner strength guides me through challenges. I will emerge stronger on the other side. Now, as you reach the heart of the garden, find a comfortable spot to sit. Imagine a pool of tranquility before you. Reflecting the clarity and peace that personal growth brings you. Repeat, I am open to new possibilities. Each day is filled with opportunities for joy. I am open to new possibilities. Each day is filled with opportunities for joy, growth, and discovery. Now, extend your gratitude to the garden and the journey you have taken. Feel a deep sense of appreciation for your commitment to personal growth and the happiness that unfolds. Now repeat, I choose happiness in every moment. Happiness is my natural state. I choose happiness in every moment. Now, take a few more deep breaths, absorbing the energy of personal growth. Feel the lightness and positivity radiating from within. You are the architect of your own happiness. You are free to create a life that aligns with your values and brings you genuine joy. As we begin to conclude this guided meditation, visualize yourself leaving the garden, carrying the essence of happiness with you. The seeds you've planted continue to flourish in the garden of your mind. As you slowly return to the awareness of your surroundings, bring the feelings of personal growth and happiness with you. Know that you have the power to nurture these qualities in your daily life. Finally, repeat these words. I